Today we're making another paper airplane. Alright, so first you gotta get this or this one, and then you just bend it down this way. Then you gotta go. Make sure you do it hard, because if you don't, when you open it, the light won't show and you won't be able to make the paper airplane. That's my dog. Alright, so then you open it and then pull this all the way to the line that you see right here. Just like that. Just like this. And then what you're gonna do is keep on folding it like this. And then fold it again like this. It's gonna kind of look like this, and then you make the wings, or you could just fold it like that. No, it's a fold. And then what you're gonna do is fold it this side to make the wings. By the way, if you don't want the wings, then don't make it. But you just need the wings to help it go slower. If you want that. Alright, so we grab this like that. Like this. Oh. So that's it for the video. Look at this. Look at it, the one that's in the video. So it's gonna kind of look like this. Alright, so thank you for all the subscribing and for the views. So I will start making at least 2 videos each day, or 1 video each day, or I'm gonna start making 1 video per 2 days, because people don't get the views. So yeah, bye.